Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to research trends on Pinterest. Researching trends on Pinterest is best done using the official Pinterest Trends tool, or go ahead to trends.pinterest.com. Navigate to the tool, right? And what you're going to do, we're going to go ahead and hit View Search Trends, hit Login using your account, right? And inside, what you're going to do, enter keywords. Let's say shoes, right? And apply filters for region, date, basically in interest to identify rising search terms, right? Let's say past 6 months. Gonna find the related trends, heels, UGG, trending shoes, in the popular pins here, right? You can also find seasonal spikes in top monthly or yearly trends. Right? For deeper insights, analyze the Pinterest Predicts report to find emerging high potential trends before they peak. So, consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.